In this video, I will be showing you how to make a pie chart graphic in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll click on the Create a Design button at the top right and select a custom size, choosing an 8.5 by 11-inch page. Once the blank canvas opens up, I'll head over to the left-hand menu and click on the Elements tab. I'll scroll down through the list until I find the Charts section, then click See All to view my options. I'm going to select the first pie chart style to add it to my design. To edit the data, I'll use the table on the left. I'm going to click into a new row and type in Staff as the label, then enter 15 for the value. Next, I'll add another row for Admin and set that value to 5. Now I'll click and drag the corner of the chart to scale it up so it fills more of the page. To change the font, I'll go to the top toolbar and open the Font drop-down menu, scrolling down to select Poppins for a cleaner look. Finally, I'll click the Settings gear in the chart panel and play with the padding slider to adjust the spacing between the segments. And just like that, the custom pie chart is finished.